Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a system that is an AI-based vision system which has different sides like a fire detection system, a water leakage system, a spill detection system, and everything like you can integrate as many sides as you want. It's a modular system. You just have your information and then it is ready to go. But the most important part of this system is basically an AI system that can actually help you out with all this information, all these questions that you have. As suppose as a manager, you want to know, you have thousands of sites, right? And you don't want to go one by one and check the status of every site. Rather, you want something that you can actually interact with, you can talk with. So suppose you just ask it, what's the overall system status? Like if there is any error going on, if there is any spill going on or whatever. So the AI actually knows it because the all this information, all this detection, all these logs, all this sensor information is being saved to a database, and the database actually is linked to the AI. The AI can actually grab those information from this database and give you a better look about what's happening, right? So it's a really nice way to interact with your system. You don't need anyone, you don't need another guy or to look out for your systems. Rather, you just ask the AI, AI knows it, and you just get the answer. So let's check it out how it works. Hopefully you will like it. Thank you. So this is the system. It has a Python backend with REST API, Fast API, OpenAI, YOLO-based detection, detectors, and LangChain for AI information, talking with, integrating the system with AI, and those kind of things. And the front end is basically Next.js with Tailwind CSS for designing purpose. So let's start it. Let's start the backend first, then start the front end. And it is running on port 3000. So now try to log in. So here you can see it has some parts like this is the viewing part, the video player part, where it actually sees all the RTSP URL that has been generated by the Python backend service. You can see these toggling options. If you even if you don't have the system, you can still use it as a regular RTSP URL. You can copy the RTSP URL, put into VLC or any RTSP player or something like that, and you can still see all the status. Like you can see, because this is a Python backend, it has YOLO and everything. All this information we can actually put into the frame itself and then forward it to this front end. Basically, same as so the front end is basically a placeholder for the system. Now we have this water damage, water leakage system. We have this spill detection system, and we also have a regular fire detection system just operating normally, I'd say. So another thing is that in the bottom you can see we have sensors, and suppose we have smoke, CO, gas like carbon monoxide, flame, and those other things. So we can actually toggle this information as well for site one if we don't want this information. Like suppose we don't need to see this these sensors because they might not be important, so we can just toggle it. So only the important ones we can select, and then those can be visualized on this front end. Same as for other sites, so we have options for the other sites as well. So something like that, and then we can toggle this on and off. So the most important part is this AI assistant part, where you can actually ask any question you want. Suppose what is the overall system status, right? So suppose we want to know if all the sites are running fine, if there are any alerts or anything. So this makes our life so much easier. Like suppose think about it, I don't have 4 sites, rather I have around 1,000 sites, right? So as a manager or something, who is managing all these things, I don't want to go each site one by one and then want to see if one site is down or something. Rather, I would prefer something that I ask an AI, and the AI will basically give me all this information. Like you can see this is happening like in site one, these are the alerts going on. Site 4 is a regular functioning one, so it doesn't have anything. So you can see multiple errors and warning detected at site 1 to 3 and indicating potential fire and water leak issues. So something like that. You don't need to hire anyone to get it monitored all the time. Rather, you can sit here in your PC and just what is the status of site 3, for example, today. Any alerts? So it actually knows everything because everything is being saved into a database. I can show it to you. So you can see all this information are being uh, get inserted into this database. It has these detections, it has these sensor readings, uh, system logs and everything. So it knows everything, it gets everything inserted into the database, and the AI actually knows where to look for, what kind of SQL query he has to do to get this information, right? And this backend is basically is using OpenAI and grab all this information and send it to the OpenAI, and OpenAI gives a good, really good response here. You can see I just ask what is the status of the site 3 today. It says that it's running good. The reason it is because I'm running this system as a loop. Sometimes it is happening, sometimes it is not good. So I can ask. What is the last alert today at site 3, for example? So again, so it actually goes there, and then it will then so you see the last alert today at site 3 was something like it because it will know that, because this is a loop, this is a loop video, and I'm running YOLO, but these systems are being reset every few seconds, right? So based on that, so when I ask for the last status, so it actually knows that when it happened at that time, and then it gives you the results. You can ask it for anything. Was there any fire alert today on side 1? So side 1 is the fire one, right? The fire detection one. So it will actually go there. Where is this backend? So it is basically go there and then ask the AI, and the AI will basically, this is the backend, where it will go there and check the logs or the timings and everything, and then even this answer, right? Yes, there was the fire alert on site 1 today. The most recent detection showed something like this. So it knows that there was a fire. So in that way, you can always be ready for, if there was something missed, you can ask it and it will give you the answers. And you have this, you also have this option to go and check them individually as well. So it's a really good way to integrate AI with your existing system. And I'm really happy to work with this system for the last few days. And I enjoyed working with it as being an ML AI engineer, basically. I love to integrate these things with the existing system that I have been working for a long time. So yeah, if you think you need any help regarding implementing this kind of system for your company or something, do let me know. I'm here open to talk. Any kind of information you need, just reach out to me. You have my contact, @𝐕𝐢𝐬𝐢𝐻@gmail.com. You have my number, so just reach out to me. I will be happy to help you out. And if you have any suggestion regarding any improvement or any other feature that you like to see, let me know. I love to work on it. Yeah, so that's it. Hopefully you like it, and talk to you soon. Bye.